Should I get the vaccine?
You should definitely get the COVID vaccine. The vaccine is going to help prevent you from becoming sick and from those around you who are too young to get the vaccine from becoming sick, so anyone less than 5.
I have antibodies. Do I still need to get the COVID shot?
You still need to get the COVID shot because the COVID vaccine prevents against different strains of the COVID virus. You build antibodies naturally if you do get sick with COVID, but it doesn't offer as good of the protection against the scary virus.
How good does it though?
Very good. So depending on the vaccine that you get, up to 97% protection against getting really severe disease, meaning having to go to the hospital and being sick in a room and not being with your family.
Why do you need to get 2 shots?
When you're little, very, very little, you actually get 4 shots of the same vaccine to prevent against things. And the reason is we need boosters. It's like when you have powers and then you want superpowers, kind of the same thing. So you get 1 shot first, and then in order to boost that immunity to make it even more likely that you can fight off all the infections, you get another shot. And that brings you up to that 97, 98% ability to fight off all your infections.
Okay, but isn't there a 3rd shot? I'm thinking my mom got one.
There is a 3rd shot available for people that are more at risk or work in settings that are more at risk or have underlying things like we talked about that can't fight off infections as well. So that shot, people got 6 months after their 2nd shot because what they looked at was they saw that some people, not all, but some people didn't have as good of an ability to fight off this infection. So their superpowers went to being powers again. And they needed a boost back to superpowers.
I got the flu shot. Do I still need to get the vaccine?
So the flu shot helps prevent against the flu, but it doesn't help prevent against the COVID-19 virus that we have that's circulating everywhere. So you need the COVID shot as well with the flu shot.
Oh, how sharp is the needle for the COVID shot?
How sharp is the needle?
Yeah.
It's sharp like any other needle. So it has to be sharp enough to actually enter your body the way the flu shot does, right? Because you need something that's going to go through your skin. So it's sharp enough to go through your skin, but it's nothing that will like poke anywhere else in your body.
I know that some people after they get the vaccine, they feel like a little bit like here and there, like it's kind of sick, but why is that kind of?
Good question. So you're building up immunity, which means you're building those antibodies that you asked me about earlier, right? So as your immune system is making all those antibodies, it's fighting, and you feel all of that. So as it's making those antibodies, you have kind of a reaction that makes you feel a little sick, but you're not getting sick from the vaccine. It's your body's response to making the antibodies, which then prevents you from getting the virus.
Okay. Can the vaccine can it affect you kind of?
In what way?
Personality kind of?
Like personality changes?
Yeah.
No, the vaccine should not affect your personality. If anything, it'll make you happier because if we get the vaccine and then we can go back to normal, we can all go to Disney World again and then we're happier.
Thank you.
Thank you. This was fun.
I learned a lot from you.
You're very welcome. I learned a lot from you actually today. That was nice.